Hello, today I am going to teach you trigonometric function. Examples for half angle formulae, Napier's analogy examples. Example first, in triangle ABC, if A is equal to 18, B is equal to 24 and C is equal to 30, then find the value of cos A sin A by 2, cos A by 2, tan A by 2, area of triangle ABC, sin A, tan A. In this example, A, B and C be the length of side of triangle ABC. ABC given value A 18, B 24 and C 30. We know that perimeter formula twice S is equal to A plus B plus C. Substituting A, B and C value. A 18 plus 24 plus 30. Addition 72. Twice S is equal to 72. Dividing on both sides by 2. Therefore, S is equal to 36. In this example, first find the value of cos A. We know that cosine rule 3 statement. But in this example, find the value of cos A using cosine rule cos statement. Cos statement B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Substituting B, C and A value. B value 24 square, C 30 square, A value 18 square by 2 into 24 into 30. 24 square 576, 30 square 900, 18 square 324. By denominator multiplication 2 into 24 into 30, 1440. Numerator addition subtraction by calculation 1152 by denominator 1440 by calculation is equal to answer 4 by 5. Next find sin A by 2. We have already studied last lecture sin A by 2 half angle formula. Under root of S minus B S minus C by BC. S value 36. Substituting B and again C value. 36 minus 24. 36 minus 30 by 24 into 30. 36 minus 24. Subtraction 12. 36 minus 30. 6 by 24 into 30. Here calculation 6 by 30 1 by 5, 12 by 24 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 10, under root 1 by 10. Under root of 1 by 10 write as 1 by root 10. Next find half angle formula. Find the value of cos a by 2. Cos a by 2, half angle formula, under root of s minus a by bc. S value 36. 36 minus 18 by 24 into 30. 36 minus 18, subtraction 18. By calculation is equal to answer 9 by 10. Under root of 9, 3 by root 10. Next find tan a by 2. Tan a by tan theta sin theta by cos theta. But here angle a by 2 sin a by 2 by cos a by 2. Sin a by 2 under root of 1 by root 10. Cos a by 2 3 by root 10. Here root 10 get cancel is equal to 1 by 3. Tan a by 2 alternate method using half angle formula. Half angle formula, under root of s minus b s minus c by s minus a. Substituting this formula, substituting value s, b and c and denominator a. Same answer 1 by 3 using half angle formula tan a by 2 second method. This is second method. Next example, to find area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. This formula is called Heron's formula. Substituting value s 36 minus 18, 36 minus 24, 36 minus 30. Substituting s, a, b and c value. Subtraction 36 minus 18, subtraction 12, third bracket subtraction 6, 12 into 6 72, 12 into 6 72, 72 write as 4 into 18. Under root of 36 6, under root of 324, 18 into 18 324, 324 square root 18. Under root 4 2 is equal to multiplication 216. Question, find area of triangle ABC. Area unit, square unit. Example second. Next example, area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 BC sin A. To find the value of sin A using this formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 BC sin A. Substituting area of triangle ABC value 216. Substituting B and C value. Sin A is equal to 216, 24 by 2, 12, dividing 12 into 30. 12 into 30, 360 is equal to, by calculation, 3 by 5. Next, find tan A. Tan A write as sin A by cos A. Sin A value 3 by 5 and cos A 4 by 5. 5 cancel is equal to 3 by 4. Example second. In any triangle ABC, prove that sin B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C by A cos A by 2. We know that sine rule. RHS side here small letter B, C and A. Example, this example same as Napier's analogy. B, C, small letter B, C and A using sine rule. Sine rule statement. A in triangle ABC, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to K. A is equal to K sin B. B is equal to K sin B and C is equal to K sin C. In this example, first write as RHS side. Substituting value B, C and A. B is equal to K sin B, C, K sin C, and put A is equal to K sin. K sin B minus K sin C, taking K common. K get cancelled. Sin B minus sin C by sin A into cos A by 2. Numerator sin B minus sin C. Using factorization formula, sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. In this formula, C replaced by B and D replaced by C. 2 cos B plus C by 2 into sin B minus C by 2 by denominator sin A. Sin A half angle formula 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. We have to already studied 11th standard sin theta half angle formula. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 get cancel. Cos A by 2 cos A by 2 cancel. Remaining terms cos B plus C by 2 sin B minus C by 2 by sin A by 2. To find the value of cos B plus C by 2. Cos B plus C by 2 in triangle ABC. We have already studied formula 11 standard. Cos B plus C by 2 directly write as formula cos sin A by 2. A plus B plus C pi. But here find the value of cos B plus C by 2. Dividing on both sides by 2. B plus C by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus A by 2. cos b plus c by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 minus a by 2. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. That is sin a by 2. 90 minus theta, sin theta. The sin a by 2. Sin a by 2, sin a by 2 get cancelled is equal to sin b minus c by 2 is equal to LHS sign. Next example. Prove that b plus c minus a, b plus c minus a tan a by 2 is equal to c plus a minus b tan b by 2 is equal to a plus b minus c tan c by 2. First term, b plus c minus a tan a by 2. Here first bracket adjustment, a plus b plus c minus twice a. Tan a by 2, half angle formula. Tan a by 2 we have to already studied last lecture. Tan a by 2 formula under root of s minus b s minus c by s minus a. A plus b plus c, a plus b plus c perimeter twice s minus twice a is equal into under root of s minus b s minus c by s minus a. Twice s minus twice a, taking 2 common. In bracket s minus a. S minus a by under root of s minus a. We know that rationalization x by root x. S minus a by under root s minus a, rationalization under root of s minus a is equal to 2 into under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c by s. Second term, c plus a minus b tan b by 2. Here adjustment, a plus b plus c minus 2b. Subtract term here minus b. B write as b minus 2b. Tan b by 2, half angle formula, under root of s minus a, s minus c by s minus b. A plus b plus c twice s minus twice b into under root of s minus a, s minus c by s minus b. Twice s minus twice b, taking 2 common. In bracket s minus b by denominator under root of s minus b, rationalization term under root of s minus b. Third term, a plus b minus c, a plus b minus c tan c by 2. A plus b minus c tan c by 2. A plus b minus c tan c by 2. First bracket adjustment, a plus b plus c minus 2c. tan c by 2 using half angle formula under root s minus a s minus b by s minus c. A plus b plus c twice minus twice c into under root of s minus a s minus b by s minus c. Taking same method, taking 2 common, rationalization s minus c by under root of s minus c, under root s minus c. From 1, 2 and 3 we get same answer, 2 into under root of s minus a s minus b s minus c by s. Therefore b plus c minus a tan a by 2 is equal to c plus a minus b tan b by 2 is equal to a plus b minus c tan c by 2. Example next. Show that sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2 is equal to area of triangle ABC whole bracket square by ABCS for triangle ABC. In this example, first write as LHS side. Sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Using half angle formulae for sin A by 2, sin B by 2 and sin C by 2. Sin A by 2 under root of s minus b s minus c by bc, sin b by 2 under root s minus a s minus c by ac, sin c by 2 under root s minus a s minus b by ab. Numerator term multiplication s minus a whole bracket square, s minus b whole bracket square, s minus c whole bracket square. Denominator bc into ac into ab, a square b square c square. Taking square root s minus a s minus b s minus c by abc. Multiplying numerator and denominator by s, because RHS side numerator area of triangle ABC square and denominator ABCS. We know that area of triangle ABC under root of formula s minus a s minus b s minus c. This is Heron's formula, and this formula squaring on both sides, that is term s minus a s minus a s minus b s minus c is equal to area of triangle ABC whole bracket square by ABCS RHS side. Next example. In triangle ABC, prove that cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 is equal to A plus B plus C by B plus C minus A cot A by 2. LHS side, cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. We know that cot theta reciprocal 1 by tan theta. First term write as 1 by tan A by 2. Second term write as 1 by tan B by 2. Third term 1 by tan C by 2. Using half angle formulae, tan A by 2, tan B by 2 and tan c by 2. We have to already studied last lecture. Tan a by 2, 1 by tan a by 2. Tan a by 2 half angle formula, reciprocal half angle formula of reciprocal of this term s minus a by s minus b s minus c. Second term using tan b by 2 half angle formula, taking reciprocal, under root s minus b by s minus a s minus c. Third formula also taking reciprocal, s minus c by s minus a s minus b. First term here s minus b s minus c, multiplying numerator and denominator by s minus a. Second term adjustment, here s minus a s minus c, numerator and denominator multiply by s minus b. Third term multiplying s minus c, numerator and denominator multiplying by s minus c. Next step, first, second and third term taking under root of s by s minus a s minus b s minus c common, in bracket s under root s minus a whole bracket square taking square root s minus a, s minus b whole bracket square taking square root s minus b, and third term square root s minus c. S plus s plus s addition 3s, minus a minus b minus c taking minus sign common, in bracket a plus b plus c. But a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c is equal to twice s, a plus b plus c twice s is equal to under root of s minus a s minus b s minus c 3s minus 2s. Subtraction here s is equal to s under root of s by under root of s minus a s minus b s minus c. RHS side, a plus b plus c by b plus c minus a, cot a by 2. A plus b plus c twice s, denominator here minus term minus a, adjustment a minus 2a, minus a write as a minus 2a, cot a by 2, cot reciprocal tan, because tan a by 2 half angle formula, cot a by 2 write as 1 by tan a by 2, tan 1 by tan a by 2, tan a by 2 half angle formula reciprocal, s minus a by s minus b s minus c, a plus b plus c twice s, a plus b plus c twice s minus twice a, twice s by twice s minus twice a, taking 2 common, 2 get cancel, s by s minus a, under root of s minus a by s minus b s minus c, under root s minus a by s minus a, taking rationalization, is equal to under root of, taking rationalization, 1 by under root of s minus a, s root s by under root s minus a by s minus a under root s minus a. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS side. Example next. In triangle ABC, if A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then show that cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are in arithmetic progression. In this example, ABC are in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression B minus A is equal to C minus B. That is, twice B is equal to A plus C. Now to prove cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are in arithmetic progression. That is, to prove that 2 cot B by 2 is equal to cot A by 2 plus cot C by 2. In this example, first write as RHS side cot A by 2 plus cot C by 2. Using half angle formulae for tan A by 2 and tan C by 2 formulae reciprocal. First term adjustment, numerator and denominator adjustment, multiplying numerator and denominator by s minus a. Second term adjustment, multiplying numerator and denominator by s minus c. Next step, taking root s common, under root s minus a whole bracket square, taking square root s minus a, under root s minus c whole bracket square, taking square root s minus c. But s plus s twice s plus s twice s, write as a plus b plus c, minus a minus c, taking minus sign common. A get cancel, here C cancel, remaining terms B under root of S by under root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. LHS side 2 cot B by 2. Using half angle formula, tan B by 2 half angle formula reciprocal, under root of is equal to, here multiply and divide adjustment s minus b, taking square root under root s minus b whole bracket square, write as s minus b. Twice under root s in bracket twice s minus twice b by under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Twice s, but twice b is equal to a, b, c are in arithmetic progression. Twice b write as a plus c. Twice s, a plus b plus c, perimeter. Here a get cancel, c get cancel, root s into b by under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Now,